Hello everyone. Today, let's explore mechanical keyboards and their suitability for long typing sessions. If you type a lot, be it for writing, coding, or just daily emails, you know a comfortable, efficient keyboard is key. So, why mechanical? The main difference is the switches. Mechanical keyboards use individual switches under each keycap. These switches vary, offering unique typing experiences. Let's look at switch types. First, linear switches, smooth and consistent, with no tactile feedback or click. Great for quiet typing. Examples: Cherry MX Red, Gateron Yellow. Next, tactile switches, a noticeable bump when pressed, giving feedback without a click. Good for knowing when your key press registers. Cherry MX Brown is a popular example. Finally, clicky switches, the loudest, with tactile feedback and a click. Might not suit shared spaces. Cherry MX Blue is a classic. How do these affect long sessions? Linear switches, with their smooth action, can reduce fatigue, especially for fast typists. Tactile switches offer satisfying feedback, preventing bottoming out and guiding your fingers. Clicky switches can cause fatigue due to the extra force and potential for distraction. Though some love the feedback, beyond switches, other factors matter. Keycap material is important. PBT keycaps are durable and resist shine. ABS keycaps, while common, shine over time. The keyboard layout also matters. Full-sized keyboards have all keys, including the number pad. Tenkeyless TKL keyboards omit the number pad. Compact keyboards, like 60% or 75% layouts, remove even more keys. Choose based on your workflow. TKL and smaller keyboards are good for ergonomics, reducing shoulder strain. Ergonomics are crucial. Adjustable feet and wrist rests significantly reduce strain, preventing issues like carpal tunnel. Build quality is also important. A sturdy frame enhances the typing experience. Hot swappable switches let you change switches easily. Recommendations for long sessions? Quiet, smooth typing. Consider linear switches: Cherry MX Red, Gateron Yellow, PBT keycaps, and a wrist rest. Tactile feedback: Cherry MX Brown with a wrist rest. If you enjoy the click, consider your workspace and typing angles. Remember to take breaks, stretch, and stay hydrated. These habits are important. Ultimately, the best keyboard depends on your preference. Research different switch types, keycap materials, and layouts to find your perfect fit. Thanks for watching and happy typing. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into mechanical keyboards, focusing on how they perform during long typing sessions. If you spend a lot of time at your desk, writer, programmer, or student, you know how crucial a comfortable and efficient keyboard is. Let's see if mechanical keyboards are a good choice. First, why consider mechanical keyboards? Unlike membrane keyboards, mechanical keyboards use individual mechanical switches under each key. This gives a distinct tactile and often audible response, a game changer for many typists. The tactile feedback is important for long sessions. It helps you avoid bottoming out, which leads to fatigue and strain. Mechanical keyboards offer a more controlled typing experience. The key travel and actuation points are also more defined, allowing for more precise and often faster typing. Now, let's look at the key switch types. There are many options, each with its own feel. Popular choices include Cherry MX, Gateron, and KL switches, each with different characteristics. Linear switches, like Cherry MX Reds, are smooth and consistent, great for fast typing. Tactile switches, like Cherry MX Browns, offer a noticeable bump when the key actuates. This is a popular choice for typists who want a balance of feel and speed. Then there are clicky switches, such as Cherry MX Blues. They give you a tactile bump and an audible click. Experimenting with different switch types is key to finding what suits your typing style. Beyond switches, keycaps play a role. They affect the feel and sound. PBT keycaps are known for their durability. ABS keycaps can wear down more quickly. The keycap profile also impacts comfort. Popular profiles include Cherry and OEM Choose a profile that feels comfortable. Ergonomics are also something to consider. Look for keyboards with features like adjustable feet to change the angle, or even split keyboards to reduce strain. A wrist rest is also a fantastic addition. These adjustments can make a big difference in comfort. So, do mechanical keyboards hold up for long typing sessions? Absolutely. The tactile feedback, the switch types, the durable keycaps, and the ergonomic options contribute to a more comfortable typing experience. While the initial investment might be higher, the improved comfort and typing experience make mechanical keyboards a worthwhile investment for those who type for extended periods. Thanks for watching.